Brain verbal reasoning. Complete lecture for SSCCGL in phase 13. Verbal reasoning is the ability to understand, analyze, and logically interpret written information. It evaluates how well a candidate can draw conclusions from given statements, recognize patterns, and solve problems presented in words. In SSC exams, this section checks cognitive ability, logical consistency, and clarity of thought through word-based puzzles and logic. Small diamond 1. Coding decoding concept. This tests your ability to decipher rules behind letter, word substitutions, or transformations. Patterns can be alphabetical A to Z, positional A equals 1 to Z equals 26, reverse order Z equals 1, or mathematical operations. Common types. Letter shifting e.g., shift plus 2, cat right pointing arrow ECB. Number coding e.g., A equals 1, Z equals 26, reverse Z equals 1, A equals 26. Substitution-based logic e.g., rows equals 6821, then decode word using position logic. Fire important tip. SSC repeats alphabet shifting plus 2, minus 1, and reverse positional logic. Learn A to Z positions by heart. Small diamond 2, analogy concept. Identify the relationship between a pair and apply the same to find the missing link in another pair. Common types. Word analogy doctor, hospital, teacher, school. Letter number analogy ACE, BDF, GIK, HJL. Meaning-based or function-based analogy. Fire high weight area. Many SSCPYQs use functional and characteristic analogies, e.g., fire, heat. Small diamond 3, classification odd one out concept. Select the item which doesn't belong to the group. Logic can be based on meaning or category, e.g., apple, mango, carrot, banana. Number patterns. Letter sequences. Fire focus points. SSC uses categories like animals, professions, countries, shapes, spellings, vowels, even odd logic. Small diamond 4, series completion concept. Identify the logic in a sequence and predict the next item. Types. Number series, e.g., 2, 4, 8, 16 right pointing arrow multiply times 2. Alphabet series, e.g., A, C, F, J right pointing arrow plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. Alphanumeric series. Fire key strategy. Watch for prime numbers, squares, plus minus times divided by patterns. For letters, no jumps using alphabetical positions. Small diamond 5, direction sense concept. Analyzing movement in two-dimensional plane. Track left, right turns, distances. Keywords. North, south, east, west, left turn, right turn, face, initial final direction, shortest distance. Fire repeated pattern. Questions often end with, which direction is he facing? Or, what is the shortest distance? Small diamond 6, blood relations concept. Understand family hierarchy using given statements. Approaches. Symbol method, m plus n equals m is father of n. Tree diagram, draw gen level-wise relation for clarity. Fire important. Pay attention to gender clues, his, her, brother, daughter. SSC often asks indirect and coded relations. Small diamond 7, syllogism concept. Analyze deductive reasoning from given premises. Format. Statements plus conclusions. Use Venn diagrams to validate conclusion truth. Fire key tip, memorize the rules. All are B equals some B or A is true. Some are B equals no definite conclusion on some B or A. No A is B equals no B is A is true. Statement and conclusion inference concept. Judge what logically follows from a statement. SSC asks whether conclusions follow or not. Type. Assumption, implicit beliefs. Argument, strong, weak reasoning. Fire tip. Assumptions are never stated but must be logically necessary for a statement to hold. Small diamond 9, alphanumeric series, miscellaneous concept. Includes jumbled letters, number letter combos, pattern puzzles. Common pattern. E.g., P7R, Q6S, R5T right pointing arrow logic, first letter plus 1, number minus 1, last letter plus 1. Down triangle most repeated PYQ concepts in SSC exams, letter coding plus 3 shift, or right pointing arrow D. Meaning-based analogies. Word classification, fruit, bird, tool, etc. Number letter series 1A, 2B, 3C. Direction sense with 3 to 4 turns. Blood relation indirect puzzle, son-in-law, brother's daughter. Statement conclusion with all, some, none. Books previous year questions, verbal reasoning. Q1. In a certain code, rose is written as 6,821 feet, and chair is written as 73,456. What is the code for? Search. A. A 214,673. B 216,473. C 214,763. D 216,473. Checkmark answer. B 216,473. Q2. Doctor, hospital, teacher, at school. B college. C class D institution. Checkmark answer. A school. Q3. Pointing to a woman, Rahul said, she is the daughter of my grandfather's only son. How is the woman related to Rahul? A mother. B sister C and E equals 2. Z equals 26. Then what is the how is the woman related to Rahul? A mother. B sister C and T cousin. Checkmark answer. B sister. Beat sister C and T cousin checkmark answer. Beat sister. Q4. If A equals 1, B equals 2, Z equals 26, then what is the code for? Ace. A 135. B 124 C 136 D 126. Checkmark answer. A 135. Checkmark ready for next topic. Send the next syllabus topic quant, English, GK, etc. and I'll give the next full-length tightly packed lecture right away. Let's keep this momentum. You said. Nonverbal reasoning. Don't waste space for unwanted stuff. Just start by topic name. ChatGPT said. Nonverbal reasoning. 1. Series completion. This involves identifying patterns in a sequence of images. Patterns include rotation, reflection, scaling, shading, number of elements, or position changes. Small diamond look for consistent progression in shape, line count, movement, or symmetry. Small diamond example logic. A triangle rotates 90 degrees each step, or a black dot moves one corner clockwise. 2. Analogy, figure analogy. You're given two figures with a visual relationship. Apply that relation to choose the fourth figure. Small diamond test for mirror images, number of shapes, size changes, element addition, removal. Small diamond SSC often repeats analogy based on geometric transformation or shaded unshaded variation. 3. Classification, odd one out, pick the image that does not match the others. Small diamond bases on symmetry, shape types, polygon versus curve, rotation, shading, or structure. Small diamond SSC focuses on visual similarity. Watch for slight shape distortions or changed angles. 4. Mirror image. Determine the image form when a figure is reflected in a vertical mirror. Small diamond left right reversal is key. Small diamond letters like B, E, K look very different when mirrored. SSC often includes these. 5. Water image. This is the vertical reflection top bottom. Small diamond in water image top becomes bottom. Look for inversion along the horizontal axis. Small diamond shapes like V, M, L get visually tricky. Practice with basic capital letters. 6. Embedded figures. Find a given small shape hidden inside a larger complex figure. Small diamond don't focus on color. Track shape outlines. Try mentally tracing each part of the small figure. 7. Paper folding cutting. You are shown how a paper is folded and cut. You must predict the unfolded result. Small diamond symmetry is essential. If folded once and cut once, the cut is mirrored when unfolded. Small diamond SSC repeats patterns like square folded into half quarter with triangle or circle cuts. 8. Figure completion. Image construction. A part of the figure is missing. Choose the option that completes the figure. Small diamond SSC uses rotational symmetry and geometric patterns. Focus on recurring lines and arcs. Small diamond practice tracing missing parts mentally. This improves speed. 9. Cube and dice. Cube. A figure is folded into a cube from a net. Questions may ask adjacent opposite faces. Dice. Determine which number is opposite a given number. Small diamond rule. If two positions of dice are shown with three common faces, the fourth faces are opposite. Small diamond visualize unfolding to track face positions. 10. Pattern completion. Identify the missing piece in a pattern. Small diamond SSC often gives square grids with a missing corner. Study line continuation, symmetry, rotation. Small diamond use elimination for closely similar options. Fire SSCPYQ hot zones. Mirror water image almost every year. Series rotation. Addition of lines elements. Embedded figures. Moderate difficulty. Paper folding common in CGL in phase 13. Figure completion used in both tier 1 and selection post. Memo previous year questions. Nonverbal reasoning Q1. In a figure series, a square rotates 90 degrees clockwise in each step. What will be the fifth figure? A. Same as first. B. 90 degrees rotated C. 180 degrees rotated D. 270 degrees rotated checkmark answer. Same as first. Q2. Which figure is the water image of the letter F? A. B. Flipped vertically C. Normal FD. Mirror image of F checkmark answer. B. Flipped vertically. Q3. A paper is folded in half, then a triangle is cut at the corner. When unfolded, how many triangle holes are visible? A. 1. B. 2 C. 3 D. 4. Checkmark answer. B. 2. Q4. Two positions of a dice are shown. 3 feet is on the top face in one end, 5 in another, both shown 2 and 4 on common sides. What number is opposite 6? A. 1. B. 2 C. 3. D cannot be determined. Checkmark answer. A. 1. Next topic. Send the name, and I'll deliver the next compact full syllabus lecture right away. You said. From both this explanation of all zones from both answers as a beginner, I need theory. ChatGPT said. Perfect. Below is a complete beginner to advanced theory lecture on verbal and nonverbal reasoning, explained in depth but tightly packed, covering all areas that are asked in SSC CGL and SSC phase 13 post-graduation level exams. This is written as a combined full theory class for both verbal and nonverbal reasoning, without repetition, without fluff, and with total conceptual clarity. Your complete reasoning foundation starts here. Light bulb combined theory, verbal and nonverbal reasoning for SSC CGL plus phase 13, large diamond part 1, verbal reasoning. Verbal reasoning deals with logical thinking using words, statements, and basic language structure. These questions require no mathematical computation, only sharp analytical and logical interpretation. 1. Coding decoding. In this type, a word is encoded or decoded by using a rule like letter shifting, e.g., a right pointing arrow C, numerical value substitution, a equals. Light bulb combined theory, verbal and nonverbal reasoning for SSC CGL plus phase 13, large diamond part 1, verbal reasoning. Verbal reasoning deals with logical thinking using words, statements, and basic language structure. These questions require no mathematical computation, only sharp analytical and logical interpretation. 1. Coding decoding. In this type, a word is encoded or decoded by using a rule like letter shifting, e.g., a right pointing arrow C, numerical value substitution, a equals 1, b equals 2, or symbol transformation. Key rules. Letter shifting. If a equals C plus 2 shift, cat becomes ECB. Reverse order. A equals 26, Z equals 1, used for mirror logic. Word to number. Rows equals 6,821, then use matching codes. SSC strategy. Memorize A to Z positions. Look for pattern consistency in both directions. 2. Analogy. You're given two related things. You must identify the same relationship in another pair. Types. Semantic. Doctor. Hospital equals teacher. School. Alphabetic. A. C equals E. G. Both have plus 2 shift. Functional. Lock. Key equals door. Handle. SSC tip. Check direction of logic input output, not just visual similarity. 3. Classification. Odd one out. 4 options are given. Identify which one does not belong to the group. Logics used. Category mismatch. Cat, dog, cow, mango, mango equals odd. Numerical rule. 11, 13, 17, 20 right pointing arrow 20 is not a prime. Spelling letter pattern. 4. Series completion. Find the missing item in a sequence following a specific rule. Common series. Arithmetic. Plus 2, plus 4, plus 6. Geometric. Times 2, divided by 3. Alphabetical. A, C, F, J plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. SSC tip. Quickly check first differences, then second level difference of difference. 5. Direction sense. This tests your spatial ability based on directions. Essentials. Left, right, always from subject's point of view. Turns. Track sequence carefully. Distance. Use Pythagoras for shortest path. 6. Blood relations. Given a set of relations, determine the link between two people. Approaches. Use family tree diagrams. Focus on gender words like son, daughter, his, her. Watch for indirect links. X is mother of Y, who is sister of Z. Right pointing arrow relation between X and Z. 7. Syllogism. 2 or more statements are given. You decide which conclusions logically follow. Use Venn diagrams. All are B. Some are B. No A is B. Some are not B. SSC rule. Assume statements to be 100% true, even if factually false. 8. Statement conclusion assumption. Test your critical thinking. You judge what must follow from a given statement. Types. Assumption. Hidden belief required for statement. Argument. Choose strong, weak reasons. Large diamond part 2. Nonverbal reasoning. Nonverbal reasoning includes image-based, pattern-based, and spatial reasoning tasks. These assess visual logic, rotational understanding, and perception of patterns. No language involved. 1. Figure series. Identify the next figure in a visual pattern. Common logics. Rotation clockwise, anti-clockwise. Addition, removal of elements. Line count change. Movement of shapes. 2. Analogy figure based. One pair of figures shows a visual relation. Find the image that completes the second pair with the same logic. SSC repeats, black to white conversion. Shape count increase decrease. Mirroring or rotation changes. 3. Classification odd one out, identify which image is different. SSC patterns, asymmetry. Change in angles. Element shape or count mismatch. 4. Mirror image. Vertical reflection, left becomes right. Strategy. Letters like F, E, R, and K change noticeably. Imagine a mirror placed vertically. 5. Water image. Horizontal reflection, top becomes bottom. SSC tip. Focus on vertical parts of figure flipping downward. Practice common letter water reflections. 6. Embedded figures. Find a hidden shape inside a complex figure. Strategy. Trace lines mentally. Avoid distractions from shading or color. 7. Paper folding cutting. Predict the final shape when folded paper is cut and unfolded. Key concept. Every cut is mirrored across fold lines. 8. Figure completion. Complete a partially given symmetrical or patterned image. SSC style. Missing corners. Symmetrical designs. Continuation of curved lines. 9. Cube and dice. Study a net or image of a cube with dice and answer questions about adjacent opposite faces. SSC concept. If two views show 3 common faces, the remaining ones are opposite. For cube folding, visualize actual folding or flatten the cube in mind. Down triangle most asked SSC CGL phase 13 topics. Verbal, coding decoding, blood relation, syllogism, direction sense, statement conclusion. Non-verbal, figure series, mirror image, paper folding, figure completion, cube dice. Test 2 practice set, PYQs. Q1. In a certain code, rows equals 6,821 and chair equals 73,456. What is search? A 216,473, B 214,763, C 213,674, D 217,364. Checkmark answer. A 216,473. Q2. Doctor, hospital, teacher. A college, B school, C class, D university. Checkmark answer. B school. Q3. Which of the following is a mirror image of K? A reversed horizontally, B reversed vertically, C same, D cannot determine. Checkmark answer. A reversed horizontally. Q4. A paper is folded and cut into a triangle on the corner. When unfolded, how many triangle holes? A 1, B 2, C 3, D 4. Checkmark answer. B 2. Checkmark. This is your complete foundation theory for reasoning, designed to work for both SSC CGL and phase 13 postgraduate level. Now send the next topic name, and I'll prepare your next lecture in the same high standard, no space wasting style. You said, analogy, ChatGPT said. Large diamond analogy, complete theory, verbal plus non-verbal, for SSC CGL and SSC phase 13. Analogy questions test your ability to identify relationships between pairs of words, numbers, letters, or figures. You must apply the same type of relationship to find the correct answer. SSC frequently uses this topic in both verbal and non-verbal reasoning, often asking 3 to 5 questions in Tier 1 and phase 13 exams. Small diamond verbal analogy 1, word analogy. You are given a pair of words with a specific relationship. You must choose another pair that shares the same type of relationship. Common relationships. Profession and workplace, doctor, hospital, teacher, school. Object and function, knife, cut, pen, write. Synonym, antonym, big, large, tiny, small. Cousin effect, fire, smoke, injury, pain. Tool and usage, needle, stitch, axe, chop. Degree, intensity, warm, hot, cold, freezing. Part, whole, chapter, book, room, house. Male, female, king, queen, lion, lioness. Young adult, puppy, dog, calf, cow. Fire SSCPYQ pattern. Emphasizes logical pairing like tool action, place person, synonyms, word usage. 2. Letter alphabet analogy. A pair of letters is given, and you must find the analogous relationship in the second pair. Key patterns, alphabet position shift, A, C equals B, D each plus 2 shift M, N equals T, U each plus 1 shift. Reverse alphabet, A equals 26, B equals 25, Z equals 1D, W equals E, V opposite in reverse order. Skips or gaps, A, E equals B, F both plus 4. Position multiples, C3, F6 equals D, 4, H8. 3. Number analogy. SSC often gives number pairs based on arithmetic or positional logic. Common patterns, multiplication, addition, 3, 9 equals 4, 16, square logic, 12, 24 equals 15, 30 times 2 logic. Difference patterns, 10, 13 equals 14, 17 plus 3 each time. Prime numbers. 2, 3 equals 5, 7 consecutive primes. Position square logic, A, 1, B, 4 equals C, 9 square of position. Small diamond 2, non-verbal analogy figure analogy. A pair of figures is shown with a specific visual change or transformation. Identify the image that completes the second analogous pair. SSC common transformations, rotation, first figure rotated 90 degrees, right pointing arrow applies same to second. Shading, inversion, black becomes white. Shape change, square right pointing arrow circle, apply same logic to next. Element addition, removal, one line added, removed. Symmetry or directional change, mirroring, flipping. Dot position, a dot moves clockwise, right pointing arrow, repeat pattern. Fire SSC visual analogy trends. Repeats shape movement, rotation, reflection, and pattern completion logic. Down triangle SSCPYQ hot zones, verbal plus non-verbal analogy, tool function, hammer, nail, knife, cut. Number logic, square, prime, even, odd pair. Rotation of figures. Shaded, unshaded areas in figures. Reverse alphabet analogy, SSC loves this. Mirror reflected shapes analogy. Test 2 previous year questions, analogy Q1. Doctor, hospital, lawyer, A, court. B, police station, C, prison, D, lawyer, chamber, checkmark answer, A, court. Q2, 36, 1296, 49, A, 343. B, 2401, C, 3600, D, 1225. Checkmark answer, B, 2401. Explanation, square of the numbers 36 squared equals 1296, 49 squared equals 2401. Q3, A, C, E, A, G. B, F, C, H, D, I. Checkmark answer, A, G. Explanation, A right pointing arrow C plus 2, E right pointing arrow G plus 2. Q4. Figure analogy, first image, triangle inside a square, second image, circle inside a square, third image, triangle inside a pentagon, what should be the fourth? A, circle inside pentagon, B, pentagon inside circle, C, square inside circle, D, circle outside pentagon, checkmark answer. A, circle inside pentagon, shape inside remains, outer changes in same logic. Checkmark, this is your full theory plus SSC tested concept guide for analogy. Send the next topic, and I'll deliver another tightly packed masterclass. You said, word-based analogy, ChatGPT said. Large diamond word-based analogy, complete theory for SSC CGL and SSC phase 13. Word-based analogy is one of the most frequently asked and high-scoring areas in SSC exams. It tests your vocabulary, conceptual association, and logical pairing ability. You're given two words with a particular relationship, and you must identify the same relationship in another pair. This topic checks your language depth, category sense, and logical deduction skills, a must-master area for cracking reasoning sections. Small diamond types of word-based analogy 1, synonym analogy. The first word is a synonym of the second. Small diamond example, begin, commence, end, conclude. SSC often uses moderate level synonyms. Avoid extreme or rare vocabulary. 2. Antonym analogy. The first word is the opposite of the second. Small diamond example. Hot, cold, light, dark. Watch for exact opposites. Sometimes the tricky options are nearly unrelated. 3. Cousin effect. First word causes or leads to the second. Small diamond example. Fire, smoke, injury, pain. Used to test real-world understanding, especially for phase 13. 4. Worker and tool. Relationship between a person and the instrument they use. Small diamond example. Carpenter, saw, barber, scissors. SSC repeats this with professions and their tools. 5. Object and function object and what it is used for. Small diamond example. Pen, write, knife, cut. Often confused with tool user logic. Here the object's main action is important. 6. Part whole. First word is a part of the second. Small diamond example. Chapter, book, room, house. Memorize common part whole pairs. SSC loves using these in both exams. 7. Category member word belongs to a category. Small diamond example. Parrot, bird, tiger, mammal. Used to test general awareness and classification. 8. Male, female, young adult used in SSCGL frequently. Small diamond example. Lion, lioness, man, woman, small diamond puppy, dog, kitten, cat. 9. Degree or intensity. The second word is an extreme or milder form of the first. Small diamond example. Warm, hot, cold, freezing, small diamond happiness, ecstasy. 10. Action target. Action and the object on which it is performed. Small diamond example. Eat, food, drink, water. SSC sometimes blends this with verb-based analogies. Small diamond 2. Strategy to solve. Identify the link between the first pair. Form a sentence using the pair. E.g., a doctor works in a hospital. Apply the same logic to all the options. Eliminate choices with weak or non-logical connections. Down triangle SSCPYQ hot areas profession workplace SSCCGL tier 1. Tool user phase 13 postgraduate. Synonym antonym repeated every year. Object function pen write axe chop. Part whole room house petal flower. Action effect study learn fire smoke. Test 2 previous year questions word-based analogy Q1. Doctor, hospital, teacher, A college. Beat school C library D house. Checkmark answer B school. Explanation. Doctor works in hospital, teacher works in school. Q2. Knife, cut, pen, A ink. Beat draw C write D paper. Checkmark answer C write tool in its primary function. Q3. Chapter, book, room, A building. Beat apartment C house D wall. Checkmark answer C house part whole analogy. Q4. Heat, temperature, speed, A acceleration. Beat distance C velocity D meter. Checkmark answer D meter. Measured by analogy, heat by temperature, speed by meter. Q5. Laugh, joy, cry, A sorrow. Beat emotion C expression D sadness checkmark answer D sadness effect cause analogy. Checkmark this is your complete theory plus practice for word-based analogy, tightly packed, exam level, and 100% aligned with SSC patterns. Right finger ready for next topic. Send the name and I'll prepare your next theory lecture in the same perfect style. You said. Number-based analogy ChatGPT said. Large diamond number-based analogy, full theory for SSCCGL and SSC phase 13. Number-based analogy questions test your mathematical logic and pattern recognition skills. You're given a pair of numbers with a defined relationship, and you must apply the same relationship to another pair. SSCCGL and phase 13 both include this topic frequently in the reasoning section, often mixing arithmetic, algebraic, square, cube, and digit-based logic. Small diamond I types of number analogy 1. Arithmetic operation analogy. Relationship is based on basic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Small diamond example. 4, 8, 5, 10 right pointing arrow logic is times 2, 12, 6, 18, 9 right pointing arrow logic is divided by 2. 2. Square cube analogy. One number is the square cube of the other. SSC uses this very frequently. Small diamond example. 525, 636 square logic, 327, 4, 64 cube logic. 3. Difference or sum analogy. The logic lies in adding or subtracting fixed values. Small diamond example. 1720, 2326 both plus 3, 35, 32, 40, 37 both minus 3. 4. Prime numbers analogy. SSC sometimes tests knowledge of prime numbers or consecutive primes. Small diamond example. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. 5. Positional rank-based analogy based on digit positions or alphabet ranks. Small diamond example. A equals 1, B equals 2, Z equals 26, so C, 3, E, 5. This overlaps with alphabet number analogies in SSC. 6. Product or combined operation. One number is derived using multiple operations on digits or number pairs. Small diamond example. 1458, 16. 14 times 4 plus 2 equals 58, then 16 times 4 plus 2 equals 66, right pointing arrow answer, 66. 7. Reversal or digit interchange. Digits are reversed, rearranged, or summed. Small diamond example. 1331, 1441, 28, 10, 46, 10, 2 plus 8 equals 10, 4 plus 6 equals 10. 8. Mixed logic pattern matching. 2 steps may be involved, one operation after another. Small diamond example. 8, 65, 7. 8 squared plus 1 equals 64 plus 1 equals 65, 7 squared plus 1 equals 49 plus 1 equals 50. Small diamond 2. Strategy to solve. Check first for common patterns, square, cube, multiplication. If complex, try digit operations, sum, reverse, product. Watch for symmetrical changes, e.g., both numbers increase by same amount. Always apply logic from first pair to second consistently. Down triangle SSCPYQ hot area square, cube logic, very common. Plus minus patterns, constant difference. Digit sum, digit product. Prime number pairs. Reverse digits 1331. Dual operation logic times then plus. Test 2 previous year questions, number analogy Q1, 525, 6. A36B, 30C, 2060, 35 checkmark answer, A36. Square logic, 5 squared equals 25, 6 squared equals 36. Q2, 8, 65, 7. A56B, 49C, 50D, 52 checkmark answer, C50, 8 squared plus 1 equals 65, so 7 squared plus 1 equals 50. Q3, 1331, 14. A41B, 30C, 24D, 32 checkmark answer, A41 reverse digits. Q4, 327, 4. 864D, 20C, 30D, 16 checkmark answer, 864 cube logic, 3 cube equals 27, 4 cube equals 64. Q5, 28, 10, 46. A8B, 10C, 12D, 14 checkmark answer, B10 2 plus 8 equals 10, 4 plus 6 equals 10. Checkmark. You now have a complete theory plus SSC tested logic for number-based analogy from beginner to exam ready level. Send your next topic now for the next tightly packed reasoning lecture. You said. From now on give theory on those hotteries too. ChatGPT said. Perfect. From now on, I will. Checkmark include separate, focused theory for each hot SSCPYQ area within every topic lecture. Checkmark explain their logic, traps, and variations, so you master them completely. Checkmark still keep the lecture tightly packed, full detail, no wasted space, with 3 to 5 solved SSCPYQs at the end. Let's proceed topic by topic, one at a time. Pushpin, please send your next topic, and I'll begin the lecture with core theory plus all hot SSC zones explained in full. You said. Verbal and non-verbal reasoning. ChatGPT said. Excellent. As per your request, here's the combined final masterclass theory on verbal and non-verbal reasoning, rewritten with full coverage of the hot SSCPYQ areas, tightly packed from base to high level. This is your all-in-one reasoning theory sheet for SSC CGL and SSC Phase 13, covering both types of reasoning from theory to exam tricks. Blue circle complete verbal and non-verbal reasoning theory with hot SSC PYQ zones explained CGL plus Phase 13. Large diamond part 1, verbal reasoning. Verbal reasoning tests logic using words and statements. SSC focuses on conceptual connections, deduction, and structured logic, not just grammar or vocabulary. 1. Coding decoding. Convert letters words into coded forms using consistent rules. Small diamond hot SSC PYQ areas. Letter shifting +2, -1 cat right pointing arrow DCD. Positional value, A equals 1, Z equals 26, also reverse Z equals 1. Mixed logic, rows equals 6821 based on letter number match. Substitution type code, if blue equals green, green equals red. Key strategy. Memorize A to Z positions, check plus minus patterns, test against all letters. 2. Analogy word, letter, number identify logical relationships and apply them to new pairs. Small diamond hot PYQ types. Profession workplace, doctor, hospital. Tool function, pen, right. Synonyms antonyms, truth, honesty. Number logic, 3, 9, 4, 16 squares. Alphabet shifting, A, D, B, E plus 3. Key strategy. Form logic sentences, a works in B, compare direction of logic, eliminate guess options. 3. Classification, odd one out, find the item different from others. Small diamond hot PYQ types. Word category, apple, banana, carrot, mango right pointing arrow carrot equals vegetable. Number logic, 11, 13, 17, 21 right pointing arrow 21 is not prime. Letter series, A, C, E, G right pointing arrow odd out based on sequence. 4. Series letter number series predict the next item in a logical sequence. Small diamond hot SSC zones. Alphabet series, A, D, G, J plus 3 pattern. Number logic, times 2 plus 3, square, cube. Combined alphanumeric, A1, B2, C3. Key strategy. Look for level 1, level 2 difference, skip patterns, mirror shifts. 5. Blood relations. Understand family logic using statements. Small diamond hot SSC zones. Indirect relations, X is mother of Y who is sister of Z. Coded relations, A plus B equals A is father of B. Key strategy. Use tree diagrams, decode gender from clues, his, her, never assume missing genders. 6. Direction sense. Follow turns and movements to determine direction or distance. Small diamond hot SSC areas, final direction faced. Shortest distance using Pythagoras. Left right after turns. 7. Syllogism. Test deductive logic with all, some, none type statements. Small diamond hot SSC zones. All or B, severe C right pointing arrow conclusions. Use Venn diagrams to verify. Key SSC trick. Assume 100% truth in statements, even if factually false. Do not apply real-world logic. 8. Statement conclusion assumption judge what logically follows or is assumed from a statement. Small diamond hot SSC zones, strong weak arguments. Valid invalid assumptions. Often used in Phase 13 PG level. Large diamond part 2, non-verbal reasoning. Test visual and spatial logic without words, using shapes, rotations, patterns, and symmetry. 1. Figure series. Predict the next image in a changing sequence. Small diamond hot PYQ patterns. Rotation of shape e.g., triangle rotates 90 degrees. Element movement. Incremental lines shading. 2. Analogy figures. Find the figure that completes a logical visual pair. Small diamond hot SSC zones. Shape change triangle right pointing arrow square, so circle right pointing arrow. Mirroring logic. Dot line shift pattern. 3. Classification figures pick the odd shape. Small diamond hot types, asymmetrical shape. Extra missing line. Wrong rotation. 4. Mirror image. Vertical reflection left becomes right. Small diamond SSC hot letters. B, D, E, F, K, L, P, Q, R, visibly flip in mirror. 5. Water image. Horizontal reflection top becomes bottom. Small diamond hot SSC elements. M, V, W, A, shapes look completely different in water images. 6. Paper folding cutting predict the shape after unfolding. Small diamond SSC patterns. Square folded into half right pointing arrow 1 cut equals 2 holes. Diagonal folds equals mirrored cuts. 7. Embedded figures. Spot the given shape hidden inside a complex image. Small diamond SSC tip. Ignore shading, trace outlines mentally, focus on straight line matches. 8. Figure completion. Identify the missing part to complete symmetry. Small diamond SSC patterns, grids with missing corner. Shapes that complete line symmetry. 9. Cube and dice. Understand face positions from dice or cube nets. Small diamond hot SSC zones. 2 cube views with 3 common faces right pointing arrow remaining equals opposite. Visualization of unfolding. Down triangle SSC PYQs, combined examples Q1. Doctor, hospital, teacher, at school B, college C, student D, office checkmark answer, A, school. Q2, 525, 6, A, 36B, 30C, 2060, 24 checkmark answer, A, 36 square logic. Q3. Figure analogy triangle inside square, circle inside square, triangle inside pentagon. A, circle inside pentagon B, pentagon inside circle C, square inside circle D, circle outside pentagon checkmark answer, A, circle inside pentagon. Q4, which letters mirror image is the most different, A, K, B, A, C, B, D, M. Checkmark answer, A, K. Q5. A person moves 5 meters north, turns left and walks 3 meters, then turns right and walks 4 meters. What direction is he facing? A, north, B, east, C, west, D, south. A, north, B, east, C, west, D, south. Checkmark answer, A, north. Checkmark this is your complete verbal plus non-verbal reasoning master guide, rewritten with all the PYQ hot zones covered thoroughly. Every concept is now locked in. Pushpin now send the next topic e.g., specific quant, English, GK, etc. and I'll give you another full packed PYQ focused lecture right away. You said, word-based analogy ChatGPT said. Large diamond word-based analogy, full SSC masterclass, CGL plus phase 13, Pushpin with all hot SSC PYQ areas explained, max detail, no wasted space. Word-based analogy tests your ability to identify the precise relationship between two words and apply the same logic to another pair. It's one of the most repeated and scoring topics in SSC CGL Tier 1 and Tier 2 and Phase 13 PG level. SSC often frames questions from common vocabulary, real-world logic, and functional relationships. Small diamond theory of word-based analogy. You are given two words with a specific logical link. You must identify another pair or missing word that holds the same kind of relationship. Small diamond 2, SSC hot PYQ areas, logic types and strategies 1. Profession, workplace. The first word is a profession. The second is where they work. Small diamond doctor, hospital, teacher, school, small diamond judge, court, pilot, cockpit. Checkmark SSCPYQ repeat area small diamond appear in both CGL and phase 13. Small diamond use real world logic. Don't confuse with tools doctor. Stethoscope does not equal workplace. 2. Tool, user. The first word is a tool. The second is who uses it. Small diamond scissors, tailor, brush, painter. Checkmark SSC trick. Don't confuse tool user with object function. Ask, who uses this? 3. Object, function, use. The first word is an object. The second is what it's used for. Small diamond pen, write, axe, chop. Small diamond book, read, clock, time. Checkmark PYQ trap. Options may include users. Eliminate non-function choices. 4. Synonym, antonym. The two words mean the same or the opposite. Small diamond big, large, tiny, small synonym, small diamond hot, cold, success, failure, antonym. Checkmark SSC tip. Match exact degree of meaning. Avoid weak synonyms. 5. Cause. Effect one leads to the other. Small diamond fire, smoke, injury, pain, small diamond study, knowledge, exercise, fitness. Checkmark watch for order. Cause must come first. 6. Part, whole. The first is a part of the second. Small diamond wheel, car, chapter, book. Checkmark PYQ trap. Look for essential part, not related item. 7. Male, female or young, adult small diamond lion, lioness, bull, cow small diamond puppy, dog, calf, cow. Checkmark SSC asks both animal and human versions, prince, princess, boy, girl. 8. Degree, intensity. One word is a stronger or milder form of the other. Small diamond warm, hot, cold, freezing, small diamond anger, rage, joy, ecstasy. Checkmark trap. Avoid unrelated emotion words in options. 9. Worker, product or result, small diamond farmer, crop, baker, bread, small diamond author, book, architect, building. Checkmark SSC repeats, profession, output, pairs. 10. Group, member category, example small diamond class, student, army, soldier small diamond bird, sparrow, flower, rose. Checkmark don't confuse category with part, check direction. Small diamond 3, SSCPYQ tips. Checkmark always form a sentence with the first pair. Checkmark apply the same logic to the second pair, eliminate mismatches. Checkmark eliminate options that reverse the logic or mix categories. Test tube SSCPYQs, word-based analogy Q1. Doctor, hospital, judge. A, police station. B, court. C, lawyer. D, crime. Checkmark answer. B, court. Q2, book, read, pen. A, ink. B, write. C, paper. D, draw. Checkmark answer. B, write. Q3, lion, cub, horse. A, fawn. B, colt. C, foal. D, calf. Checkmark answer. C, foal. Q4, anger, rage, fear. A, nervous. B, courage. C, terror. D, alert. Checkmark answer. C, terror. Q5, wheel, car, leaf. A, root. B, stem. C, branch. D, tree. Checkmark answer. D, tree. Q6, tailor, needle, carpenter. A, hammer. B, axe. C, nail. D, knife. Checkmark answer. A, hammer. Q7, teacher, school, lawyer. A, court. B, police. C, case. D, argument. Checkmark answer. A, court. Checkmark. This is your complete theory plus solve PYQs plus SSC hot zones for word-based analogy, structured for 100% SSC scoring potential. Pushpin ready for next topic. Send it now, and I'll prepare it in this exact high efficiency format. You said. Number-based analogy. ChatGPT said. Large diamond number-based analogy. SSC masterclass. CGL plus phase 13 PG level. Pushpin full theory plus SSC PYQ logic areas. No filler. Maximum clarity. Maximum scoring. Number-based analogy tests your ability to identify a numerical relationship between a pair of numbers and apply the same rule to another pair. These questions are stapled in SSC CGL Tier 1 and Tier 2 as well as SSC phase 13 PG level reasoning papers. Small diamond eye concept. What is number analogy? You are given a number pair A, B, and asked to find a similar relationship for another number C. The logic might involve basic math, digit operations, or patterns. Small diamond 2. SSC hot PYQ areas and master strategy 1. Square cube logic. Checkmark. Most frequent small diamond 1 number is the square cube of the other. 525, 636, 5 squared equals 25, 6 squared equals 36, 327, 4, 64, 3 cubed equals 27, 4 cubed equals 64. Green square PYQ focus. Perfect squares, 1 to 20. Perfect cubes, 1 to 10. SSC often uses misleading distractors, e.g., 30, 32, 35. 2. Arithmetic operation times, divided by, plus, small diamond fixed operation applied to first number. 6, 12, 9, 18 times 2, 15, 45, 3, 9 times 3. Green square SSC PYQ zone. Multiply, add patterns. Dual operation, times then plus, times then minus. 3. Difference or addition logic, small diamond same value added or subtracted. 11, 13, 17, 19 plus 2, 4, 5, 40, 33, 28 minus 5. Green square tip, if squares cubes fail, try checking differences. 4. Reversal or mirror digits, small diamond numbers reversed. 13, 31, 14, right pointing arrow 41. Green square PYQ pattern. 2-digit reversals often tricky when numbers don't change place. Reversal plus addition combined, e.g., 14, 43 equals 14 reversed equals 41, plus 2. 5. Prime numbers, composite numbers, small diamond prime, prime, prime next prime, etc. 2, 3, 5, 7. 11, 13, 17, 19. Green square SSC may pair numbers based on consecutive primes or prime gap logic. 6. Digit sum, digit product logic, small diamond use digits of the number, not the whole number. 28, 10, 46. 2 plus 8 equals 10, so 4 plus 6 equals 10. 25, 10, 32. 2 times 5 equals 10, 3 times 2 equals 6. Green square SSC uses this to test attention to detail. Always check digit logic if basic logic fails. 7. Combined operation, hidden pattern, small diamond use two-step operations. 14, 58, 16. 14 times 4 plus 2 equals 58, right pointing arrow 16 times 4 plus 2 equals 66. Small diamond SSC high level trick. Look for times a plus b, or square of first digit plus square of second digit. Small diamond 3. Strategy to solve SSC number analogy fast. Checkmark always check in this order. Square cube. Times divided by logic. Plus minus logic. Reversal mirror. Digit sum product. Prime number logic. Multi-step hidden patterns. Test tube SSC PYQs number analogy Q1. 525, 6. A30, B36, C26, D35. Checkmark answer. B36 square logic. 5 squared equals 25, 6 squared equals 36. Q2, 8, 65, 7. A49, B50, C50, 60, 54 checkmark answer. B50. 8 squared plus 1 equals 65, so 7 squared plus 1 equals 49 plus 1 equals 50. Q3, 13, 31, 14. A41, B24, C32, D34 checkmark answer. A41 reverse digits. Q4, 28, 10, 46. A12, B10, C11, D14 checkmark answer. B10, 2 plus 8 equals 10, 4 plus 6 equals 10. Q5, 14, 58, 16. A66, B64, C62, D72 checkmark answer. At 66, 14 times 4 plus 2 equals 58, right pointing arrow 16 times 4 plus 2 equals 66. Checkmark. This is your complete theory plus previous year pattern plus solution strategy for number-based analogy. Exactly as for SSC trends and phase 13 expectations. Pushpin ready for the next topic. Send it and I'll give you another tightly packed, max level lecture instantly. You said. Alphabet-based analogy. ChatGPT said. Large diamond alphabet-based analogy. SSC CGL and phase 13 masterclass. Pushpin complete theory plus SSC PYQ zones plus tightly packed. No space wasted. Alphabet-based analogy tests your understanding of alphabet positions, directions, and transformations. This topic is extremely frequent in SSC exams, CGL, CHSL, Phase 13, and mastering its logic ensures direct scoring from at least 2 to 3 questions in Tier 1. Small diamond eye basic concept. Alphabet positions right finger learn these by heart. A equals 1, B equals 2, Z equals 26. Reverse order. A equals 26, Z equals 1, M equals 14. Small diamond 2. Types of alphabet analogy and SSC hot PYQ areas 1. Direct positional shift, same logic both sides. Checkmark SSC high frequency small diamond letter positions shift by the same number. A, C, E, G plus 2 shift D, F, H, J plus 2 shift. Checkmark SSC tip. Always calculate numerical gap in positions. 2. Reverse order logic checkmark PYQ hotspot small diamond compare normal in reverse positions. D, W, E, B. Forward position. D equals 4 right pointing arrow reverse. W equals 4 from N equals 23. E equals 5 right pointing arrow reverse of 5 equals B equals 22. Checkmark SSC pattern. SSC tests whether you know reverse alphabet values. 3. Skipping pattern. Skip letters in alphabet. Small diamond each letter moves by fixed skip. A, E, B, F. Skip 3 letters. C, G, D, H. Checkmark tip. Count how many letters skipped. Follow same for second pair. 4. Position-based number mapping. Small diamond convert letters to numbers or vice versa using position values. C, 3, F, 6K, 11, O, 15. Checkmark SSC twist. Options may be in numbers. Don't panic. Map accurately. 5. Mirror positions from small diamond use A equals 1 to Z equals 26 and mirror A equals 26 to Z equals 1. B, Y, D. B equals 2 left right arrow Y equals 25 D equals 4 left right arrow. Equals 23 right pointing arrow W. Checkmark SSC phase 13 loves this concept. 6. Opposite letter logic small diamond A left right arrow Z, B left right arrow Y, C left right arrow X, D left right arrow W. M, N, N, M. M left right arrow N, N left right arrow M. Mid alphabet reflections. Checkmark PYQ trap. Mid alphabet letter pairs M and O often used. 7. Pair letter reversals combination logic small diamond letter pair swaps or shifting in a pair. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Checkmark use exact spacing between the two letters. Small diamond 3. How to solve. Convert letters into numbers. A equals 1, Z equals 26. Check the positional shift plus or minus. Check for reverse mirror skip pattern. Apply same rule to second pair. Eliminate wrong options quickly using logic. Test tube SSC PYQs. Alphabet analogy Q1. A, C, E. A, G, B, F, C, H, D, I checkmark answer. A, G plus 2 logic. Q2, D, W, E. A, X, B, U, C, B, D, Z checkmark answer. C, B. Alphabet position D equals 4. W equals 23 right pointing arrow E equals 5. B equals 22. Q3, B, Y, D. A, W, B, X, C, B, D, T. Checkmark answer. A, W mirror. B equals 2 right pointing arrow Y equals 25. D equals 4 right pointing arrow W equals 23. Q4, C, G, E. A, H, B, K, C, I, D, J checkmark answer. C, I, C to G equals plus 4 right pointing arrow E plus 4 equals I. Q5, C, A, Y. A, B, B, Z, C, C, D, X. Checkmark answer. A, B, Z right pointing arrow A is minus 25. Y right pointing arrow B is also minus 25. End summary strategy. Magnifying glass pattern type pushpin SSC PYQ presence positional plus or minus shift. Green circle very high reverse order. Green circle very high skip letters. Yellow circle moderate mirror positions. Green circle high opposite letter. Yellow circle often used number letter mapping. Green circle frequent. Checkmark. This is your maximum coverage master lecture for alphabet-based analogy. Tightly structured with theory plus PYQ areas plus solved SSC examples. Pushpin ready for next topic. Send it now and I'll return with another full theory sheet instantly. You said. No tables for now on ChatGPT said. Got it. Checkmark from now on. I will not use any tables in your reasoning lectures. All content will be presented in tight, paragraph-based theory format, fully packed, with no wasted space, and will continue to include complete theory. SSC PYQ hotspots. Solve previous year questions with options and answers. From base to high level. Please send your next topic, and I'll prepare your next full lecture right away in this updated format. You said. Alphabet-based analogy ChatGPT said. Large diamond alphabet-based analogy, full theory plus SSC PYQ hotspots, CGL plus phase 13 level. This topic is a major scoring area in SSC reasoning sections. It tests your ability to recognize alphabetical relationships by understanding shifts, positions, reverse orders, and pattern logic between pairs of letters. SSC CGL and phase 13 frequently repeats this in both direct and trick-based forms. The logic is always mathematical or positional, not meaning-based like in word analogies. Alphabet-based analogy gives a pair of letters related in a certain way and asks you to find the same relationship for a second pair. You must decode the logic applied to the first pair and replicate it to complete the second. The most essential skill here is knowing the position of each letter in the English alphabet. The standard sequence is A equals 1, B equals 2, M equals 13, N equals 14, Z equals 26. SSC also frequently uses reverse positions where A equals 26, B equals 25, Z equals 1. You must be fluent with both systems. Another key idea is counting the number of positions shifted between letters, which could be forward plus or backward minus in the alphabet. The most frequent type is a constant shift analogy. For example, in A, C, the logic is plus 2, because A equals 1 and C equals 3. If E is given next, E equals 5, then adding plus 2 gives G equals 7. So A, C, E, G is a valid analogy. Such plus and or minus and positional shifts